Welcome, fam. Woke up stiff through the spine or heavy in the legs? Feel like your energy is trapped in your back instead of flowing through your body? We're about to unlock that tension, release that weight, and put power back where it belongs. Starting from your heels all the way to your breath. Let's hit the mat. This is the stretch you didn't know your body needed until you feel it. Start in downward dog, hips lifted, heels reaching for the mat. Spine long, hold here. Now slowly shift forward, drop your hips and rise into cobra. Chest open, shoulders back. Flow between the two, inhale on the way down, exhale as you press back. I promise this simple flow decompresses your spine, lengthens your hamstrings and resets your nervous system in 1 minute flat. Beginners, keep your knees slightly bent in downward dog. Advanced switches, try to keep your legs straight and deepen the cobra stretch each time. Did you know that this one stretch connects your entire posterior chain in one single fluid loop? Now pause in cobra, press your hands into the mat and lift your chest 1 inch higher. 5 more seconds. That just released your spine. Now let's light up each leg. From downward dog, lift your right leg toward the sky. Flex the foot, push through the heel, keep the hips square and the core engaged. You're not just stretching, you're aligning. Feel the tug from your glute all the way to your ankle. I promise, this move activates your glutes, stretches the hamstring, and fires up shoulder stability at the same time. Beginners, keep the leg lower or bend the knee slightly. Advanced switches, point and flex the lifted foot or stack the hips briefly. Now, challenge yourself. Can you hold this lift 5 seconds longer without losing form? Switch legs. Now you're lengthening and stabilizing both sides equally. Let's bring that mobility into movement. Stand tall, reach down to touch your toes. Bend your knees into a deep squat. Keep your hands on your toes. Then lift your hips again. Feel that stretch climb your hamstrings. Back down, then up. Keep flowing. I promise, this resets your squat form, strengthens your knees, and deeply stretches your calves, hamstrings, and lower back. Beginners, use a block or touch your shins instead. Advanced switches, try pausing in each squat and lifting your chest upright. Here's a little challenge. On your next squat, can you push your knee outward and lift your chest 1 inch taller? Breathe in, exhale to rise. That just opened your hips and grounded your legs. Now let's lengthen the whole back line. Reach both arms out to a T. Now slowly fold forward and reach your right hand to your left foot. Rise and now switch. Feel that cross body stretch. That's your hamstrings, hips, and lower back syncing up. I promise, this move improves rotational flexibility, reactivates tight hips, and builds symmetry between both sides. Beginners, keep the knees soft and range shorter. Advanced switches, try holding the bottom position longer and rotating deeper through the torso. Are your hamstrings resisting or are you meeting them halfway? Hold your next touch. 5 more seconds. Deep breath here. You've unlocked length. Now let's stack posture and breath. Stand tall, hinge at the hips and place your hands on your waist. Now drop your elbows forward and down toward the floor. You're trying to touch your elbows together underneath you. Don't force, let gravity assist. I promise, this odd looking stretch unlocks upper back tightness, corrects rounded posture and releases shoulder tension fast. Beginners, bend the knees and keep the stretch light. Advanced switches, try lifting your hips higher and letting the head relax fully. Let's play a little game. Can you drop your elbows 1 inch lower than your first rep by the end? Breathe here. This isn't just a stretch. It's a reminder that your body holds more space than you think. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your hamstrings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.